Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's start drawing. First, draw a long line. Then draw 2 lines in the middle of it, which will be a triangle. 2 long lines are drawn on the left. Now I will draw 2 lines on the right in the same way. Draw 2 lines on both sides and 1 line at the bottom to make the monster longer. I will draw 2 lines to divide. Then I will draw 2 windows very beautifully, like this. A long door of this beautiful house. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Amazing! Let's start coloring. First of all, the roof of the house is painted green, which will be very attractive to children. Wow, that's great! I'm making the top red. And the 2 windows red. Orange color on the window above. Now I'm giving the door a brown color, like this. Wow, awesome! Pink color. I'm giving the entire wall of this book a pink color, which will look very beautiful and will be liked. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!